Template is more of a starter. It's just like para mas ma-feel mo. But eventually, ang template won't help you long term because you wanna write or you wanna have an email. It's like you wanna be you. Magiging mahirap lang po ang email or pagsusulat ng email if you wanna be someone else. Do I make sense? If you will study the most successful singer, locally, internationally, you will notice something. Ano yun? They all sound differently. Napansin ba niyo yun? They all sounds differently. So the same thing with you. Initially, a template is a good starter, but long term, you want to be Jose. Whether you write Taglish, brother, medyo patawa ka ng konti, I don't know, what is your style? So I guess this is one of those common mistakes na naririnig natin with regards to email training. Meron silang mga templates, use these words, right? Use this catchy stuff, right? This is how you do it. But the problem is, nagkakaroon ng one way to write an email. But there's no one way to write an email. My email, papanoorin po niyo, is not typical, I would say. I wouldn't say mayroong certain template na parang gano'n. You don't have to be this public face na, Sir John, mahihayin po kasi. That's okay. You don't have to be like me na, video is all over the place. But you can win people's heart on email. You can win their heart by email. Because email, mapansin po ba ninyo? Email is a personal thing. What do you mean, Sir John, by email is a personal? Well, you don't share your email to anyone. It is a personal thing. It's a very powerful tool. Kahit na, I would say, compare like 10, 15 years ago, mas malakas pa ang email compare ngayon. But still, nothing can beat email. Not social media, not YouTube, not LinkedIn, not Twitter, not TikTok. Nothing can beat. Kung titignan po natin yung return of investments, ROI, number to number, nothing can beat still email. Very important. Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.